Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Mind Body Wisdom expert and master dowser. Welcome to all my subscribers. I hope you enjoy this video. It was suggested by someone who named themselves Lucky, who lives in the United States, and wanted to know how could they forgive themselves for some things that they consider very terrible that they have done. Well, of course, the first thing I would suggest, if you could reach out to the person who you did them to or the people you did them to and ask for forgiveness, that's a really easy way to feel better. And even if you do that, sometimes you still feel guilty. So to forgive yourself, you may be able to just do it by clearing your meridians. I've done this for myself and then for some of my clients who have done things that they consider absolutely terrible. You can always think to yourself, you know for a fact, there's a bunch of people who have done far worse things than you've ever done. So why not forgive yourself, right? Why not? So I would do it just by clearing the governing vessel meridian, which is a great way to get rid of any unwanted emotions or entities or energies. And that meridian runs from the bottom of your spine all the way to under these endpoints here under your nose. And by tapping here, or if you have the mobility to run your hand in an arc over your head or crumble the energy like I saw a Mongolian shaman do, you'll be able to unleash all these old emotions and the need to even punish yourself, right? Because that's what, not being able to forgive yourself, you feel you need to punish yourself. And maybe that comes from a religion you were raised in like I was. It could be just about anything. But you might want to have like paper and pencil or pen handy so you can write down any situations that come up. Maybe as a child you were told, you're a bad girl, you're a bad boy. And you still have that lurking around and you can't forgive yourself. Usually an inability to forgive ourselves is multi-layered. So if you're a dowser, this is great because you can dowse for, are there one or more reasons that I can't forgive myself at this time? Or that I shouldn't forgive myself? And then just write everything down, because you're going to forget about it as you go along, more than likely, and just address them one by one. So this is how I would do it. I now release all blocks to forgiving myself for this particular situation. When I was cruel to someone, or maybe I lied to someone, or I broke a promise, or maybe I was untrue to someone who I was exclusive with, or married to, or in a relationship with, or I hurt a friend or a family member. Maybe at some time a coworker, because I was hurting inside. And don't ever say, I can never forgive myself for this. Yes, you can, and yes, you should, because if you don't, that lack of forgiveness is going to eat up your insides. Therefore, that's one of the best reasons to maintain wellness or to achieve wellness. That's why I choose to forgive myself. The person I am now, who's feeling all guilty and stuff, I would never do that to anyone again. Maybe even someone who hurt me and I hurt them back. I let go of the need to punish myself by not forgiving myself. I let go of my fear that if I don't hold on to this self-judgment, this self-punishment, this unforgiveness of myself, that I'm going to do bad things again. Well, you probably aren't, or else you wouldn't be watching this video, right? I let go of all my inability to forgive myself, my fear that if I forgive myself, I'll do even worse things to other people. I let go of all feelings that maybe my parents or my caregivers were right. I'm a bad person, a bad boy, a bad girl, a bad adult. I let go of all blocks to forgiving myself because it's not safe to forgive myself. That I'll do bad things again, that I don't deserve forgiveness, even forgiving myself. I choose now to know that I deserve to forgive myself. I'm not going to do that stuff again. If I can reach out to those people I hurt, or animals I hurt, or companies I hurt, or maybe even you stole from a company, I'll make it right. And if I can't, I'll forgive myself and know that on some level, the people and animals that I might have hurt or believed I hurt, first of all, maybe we agreed to that in our sacred contracts before we were even born. Maybe they needed to learn forgiveness too. Maybe it was meant to happen. But souls always forgive. So I forgive on a soul level, and now on a spiritual level, emotional level, mental level, physical level, I forgive myself for all the pain and trauma I caused others. It's not for me to judge myself and to beat myself up, because it's not going to make me a better person, that's for sure. Forgiving, learning, moving on. That's what I choose now, and so it is. I hope this video helped you. You can do this anytime you feel like you've done something terribly wrong and you need to beat yourself up. Even like missing goals on the job, or weight loss around the house. Beating yourself up for not keeping the cleanest house that you can keep, or treating other people as a caregiver better, or losing your temper with your kids or your elderly parents. We're only human, and we're doing the best we can. And every day we can do better and better, but not if we keep beating ourselves up and being stuck in self-judgment and unforgiveness. So, peace out. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment. I would love to hear your comments. They make me so happy. I just giggle and laugh like a little kid. And it just makes my heart so warm, and want to do more and more and more for everyone, because no one should be in emotional pain or mental pain when it's so easy to get out of it. Please visit my website, emorescue.com, for lots of more free information, ebooks, audios, all kinds of stuff available for you. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and my social media, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Remember, you deserve love, well-being, self-care. Peace out. Namaste. Subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter and get 10 free chapters of Fearless Accurate Dowsing. There are links to all my Amazon books on the homepage, emorescue.com. Thank you.